I put the candy on the chrome, the street certified me.
The part of extra, he always had it. You know, be reasonable. Yeah, whatever I need, man. If I ain't got it, he got it. Skirts, fender trim, emblems for the cars. So I spread the love to everybody, man. But my main man is JD Donk Parts, man. It's DonkParts.com. I've been dealing with him the past 2 years. Anytime I call him, if they don't answer, he return my call back the same day. Special delivery.
You know, Murph's favorite year, 73.
Yeah, top line of the dunks, y'all.
Top of the line, man. Maybe you want to get one.
Yeah. We got a bumper guard, 1973. We got the front bumper guards. Special delivery. Not UPS, FedEx. The man himself delivered it to me, man. JD. DonkParts.com.
Now this right here is the hard one, the original box. It's old, from 1973. We even got directions and everything. Now this right here is actually the little piece that you put on the car if you could drill the hole. A lot of people don't realize this is just wax.
New boat from 1973.
I like.
You know this shit old, man. Nobody talking about it. It's old, man.
Got the original instructions.
Wow.
You see, all this stuff was. This was an extra. This is a little accessory part line. The UPC code.
So tell me, man, you got a lot of parts like this in stock?
We got some NOS stuff. We've been selling a lot because people want that nice stuff, you know what I mean? So I mean, we still got some 72 rear. I got a 71 tail panel that people been trying to buy forever. But I mean, we all know that shit hard to find and hard to get. This the refrigerator side. It's cold over here.
We're going to Antarctica.
Antarctica. We got glass for days, fenders here, seats. Here's a lot of stuff. Now, but I'll tell you what's crazy. I used to ship box Chevy to Chicago. A lot of box Chevys. Now, that's all they do is dunks now. Not all of them, but all the people I used to have box Chevy, all they do is dunks. And they coming hard. See, Chicago is like this. If he got this car and he missed the wheel well trim, but everything else done, they won't bring it out. They so, I mean, and they want that brand new stuff. Like, they rather have brand new than, oh, he got to go fix it. Oh, no, I ain't got time. I need it now. They'll pay that brand new price. Like, Suge seen the Chicago cars. He just like, they is like total everything, frame off, everything gotta be perfect. I mean, and they just started this dunk stuff, so it's gonna get worse and worse. Yeah, see, interior stuff, shit, what we got. I mean, I try to satisfy the customer. Customers is how we got here. You know, like you say, you want interior? Boom, I'm putting together a package deal. Ship it to wherever you want. Ain't no use to you. I'm shipping it to you, then they gotta go to Joey. Then after that, you know, just go straight to Joey. Boom, it's done. Oh yeah, see like all this stuff we got, and I mean, if I'm gonna send you all the other stuff, you might as well get it all, because just to send that one little chrome strip costs $200 because it curves. You put in the box, it's 6 long, and now it costs me $125 to send it, and you like, man, $200? Damn, cost me $125 to send them off. Then sometimes they bend the shit. Then if they bend it, oh my God. So now we done made zero.
You need I'm gonna send you some
Oh, boy, wait, Murph got some items we can't even get no more. Them,
what's that?
Them 73 front rear impact strips. Murph hold on to that.
I still gotta say that right now, man.
He ain't let that go.
I gotta shut up impact. A lot of people don't know what impact bumper scripts. I still got them, man. I bought them and put them up. Can't even get them no more right now. They're on back order.
Company went out of business.
I still got a set. And he told me he had 2 sets. I said I gotta have them. For you guys out there scared to give him that deposit money, man, Y'all deal with him, man. Work with him, man. 'Cause, this is a company y'all dealing with, man. The man ain't got time to take $200-300 from you. Come on. Stop being scared, man. Send that money to him and get your parts, man. The man got a warehouse, got a yard. I haven't had any problem with him, man. Anytime I need him, he's been there. And he always, always been there.
What's up, man? How did you get into this?
Like I told y'all, I was looking for a damn hood cable. I had to buy a whole car for a hood cable. Then after that, everybody was asking me, we had the whole car, they just kept asking for parts. So then the guy I bought the car from, I was like, I want all the cars you got. Then we went back, the man had 40 cars lined up, and I was like, shit, I ain't got the money for all this. So we got him on. He still got 10 of them. We ain't even touched it. And that's been shit, almost 4 years now. So we got to go pick them up. We just been busy. Now we expanded to 15,000 square foot warehouse. We got 12 acres of land, and we steady pumping.
How many cars you got on your lot?
We probably got like 60. We also got other stuff too. We got 1970 cars. We got a lot of calls for 1970 Impala Caprices. So we've been starting getting them. 69s, we got some of them. We got a 61. So I mean, we got a variety of cars. We don't just sell Donk stuff. We got a lot of box Chevy stuff. We probably got like 10 cars of box Chevys. 2 doors, 4 doors, LS Broham. So we got that stuff too. Just don't be shocked. The Donk, we got everything. We got a variety of cars. You can visit our website at www.donkparts.com. Follow us on IG, because that's where we post a lot. I'm trying to get that IG up, because if like you follow us, I might post some for sale. Boom. It's instant. You can see it, you know what I mean? And if we don't answer, you gotta keep calling back, because it's only 2 of us that answer the phone. It's me or Anna. The number 712-874-3220. If y'all have any questions or you need something, just call us. We try to help you the best way we can. Take y'all to the other side. This the refrigerator side. It's cold over here.
We going to Antarctica.
Antarctica. We got glass for days, fenders here, seats. There's a lot of stuff in here.
Donk that just got broke down. Header panels for days. Got a shit ton of hubcaps.
I'm gonna take them outside to get an outside view.
Okay.
We got cars all over here. So I mean, we got a lot of cars. Some of these are customer cars over here. That black Monte Carlo SS is a customer car. The 74 Vert's customer car. The 72 is a customer car. Show y'all around. Got hoods over here. 74 convertible parts car. Transmissions, motors. Another 72 hardtop. 63 Impala. If you see anything y'all want, just call us. 712-874-3220. DonkParts.com. It's a Cutlass Supreme. 72 sitting outside of it. So anything you could think of from Donks, we got it. A lot of bumpers. A lot of bumpers. 4-door. That's a Catalina convertible. Another 73 Caprice, 4-door. '69, 61, 76 Caprice. Now, this car is solid. If y'all need some doors for 1970. A lot of parts on this car. Doors, tilt steering column. Anything y'all can think of, we got it. DonkParts.com. Bumpers right here. The top of these are basically windshield holders for convertibles. If you need them, yours rusted out. Here you go. That's a hardtop one, but these are all verts. You know what? No, this used to be a convertible one. Somebody needed it, so we had to cut it out. 72 2-door Caprice. Got a box Chevy right here. Got some of the trim still on it. Somebody just asked me for front rear wheel trim for a box Chevy too, and I told them I didn't have it. I didn't even think, I forgot about these. There you go, right there. Front caps for the Euros if you need them. Yep, they're gonna wheel trim. A 2-door one. Don't have that much trim left on it. Here's the LS Broham, which we got a lot of the parts still for. Some of the parts are on the inside. Doors, power stuff. So if you want to convert your Broham to an LS, we got you covered. The 2-door Landau, another 72. We got a lot of cars here. 1970 convertible if you need some parts. There's a 73 convertible. I might have Murph build this one up for me. And I got a 71 convertible over there. Let's go spy on Anna and see if she's working. Look, she don't even know we right here. Scared the shit out of her. Watch, as soon as she sees it, she gonna jump. Do you think I should hammer on the window?
Yeah, lightly.
You see, we got her. Live video. But we got a lot of stuff, as y'all can see. So if y'all see anything you need, you can contact us at 712-874-3220. Thank y'all for supporting DonkParts.com. Y'all have a great night. Shout outs to KandyonChrome, Birth the Legend. Y'all have a great day.
Put the candy on the corner street, certified.